name's Miriam Turk, and I'm Ruth Turk. For our science fair project, we 3D prototyped an alternative mask and filter for kids. Kids have to wear a mask for 7 hours a day and social distance while in the classroom, with 80% of kids wearing a cotton or polyester reusable mask. We wondered if there was an alternative material for masks. For our project, we each made 2 filter prototypes. One has a plain open filter and another has a custom design. We then printed them out on our 3D printer. To make the mask, we 3D printed the molds. Then we measured the materials to make the silicone base and then added the pigment and the glitter. It's just like baking a cake. We mixed it quickly but thoroughly. Then we put it into a vacuum chamber to degas. That means to take out the air. When the bubbles slow, it's time to take it out, releasing the pressure slowly. We pour it into the 3D mold, then put it into the oven to speed it up the curing process. Today we're testing our prototype mask and filter using our fit tester. To test our prototype mask and filter, we measured the particle of alcohol inside the mask and compared it to the particle outside of the mask. We collected a range of data from each filter, recording the high particle and the low particle counts. This reusable mask can be washed easily by kids by wiping it or with alcohol or putting it in a dishwasher. In conclusion, this reusable mask can reduce waste during the pandemic. The materials we used for our mask are sourced from North America and can be produced at home as an alternative to masks and materials from overseas. The amount of filter material for our masks uses 80% less than a regular disposable mask. The mask can be cleaned in a dishwasher with your lunchbox, and it uses less water than a washing machine. For our fit test experiment, we used an N95 disposable mask as a control to compare our prototype's filters. With the 6 filters we tested, 5 passed the level of particle filtration set by the N95 control. In our survey of kids from grades 3 to 6, the top 3 complaints about wearing masks were hard to breathe, gets wet, and is uncomfortable. Kids also complained that their mask falls off their nose, is loose fitting, and it hurts their ears. We also found out that 80% of kids wear reusable masks and 50% of kids do not change their masks in a day. In doing this project, we learned that a cotton or a polyester mask helps to stop droplets from spreading, but a mask needs a filter and a tight seal or fit to protect kids from getting the virus. If kids have a mask that has a seal and a filter, they can protect themselves and their teachers. A future project that we can work on is testing a disposable mask with a silicone mask fitter, and it can provide the fit needed with a disposable mask filtration. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our project. We hope you have fun playing our coded game and designing your own filter.